Welcome back, everybody. Sorry for the delay, but I got a little special surprise for you guys. This is a new little mini series that I'm going to do, and I'm calling it Wash Day at Bob's. So I have a friend named Bob. He's been in the appliance business for like ever, and he has amassed the coolest collection of vintage washing machines I've ever seen in my life. So I asked him one time if we could go over and do some laundry and I could do some videos, and he agreed. And the first washer I'm doing is this fantastic Frigidaire WCI custom, what's it called? Oh no, I'm sorry, it's the Rapidry 1000. So for those of you who don't know, this is an early 60s washer and it spins at 1,000 RPMs. It's really cool. So without further ado, I won't bother you guys with all of the details with it, but it's a really cool washer. I thought it was fantastic. And I'm going to do 2 or 3 videos with this machine, and then hopefully next week when I do another load, I could do some of his other older machines. One other thing, guys, I'm really sorry I haven't been posting as frequently as I usually am. I pulled a muscle in my back like a month ago, and it really aggravated my sciatica, and I've been kind of immobile for quite some time at this point. I'm still kind of pushing through it, but I'm getting better. So I'm going to try and get back on my normal schedule. I do apologize, but I was kind of on the injured list, and there was nothing to do about it. So without further ado, enjoy the video. All right, guys. Well, this is the Frigidaire. What's this called again? The Jetaway? What's it called?
Jet Action.
The Jet Action, right. So this is the Jet Action Frigidaire top load washer, and this one's pretty unique because the agitator actually goes up and down instead of oscillating side to side. So we're going to do a small-ish load of my thermal shirts. Nothing too crazy. I really think it's great. Okay.
Am I allowed to talk?
And there's that. Now we're going to do normal speed, warm wash. It does a warm rim spot? Oh, that's fantastic. And then a full load. And then we should do...
Push it in.
Push it in.
Turn it.
Oh, there it is. Let's push it.
Wherever you want it.
Yeah, if they're right about there is fine. And then pull the start. Right?
Right.
Push the start.
You didn't take a picture of the Facebook, did you?
I did already, yeah.
Okay.
And so this one, we have this one to...
I just want the overflow to go in the tub instead of go out the drain.
Ah, okay. Okay, well that's
There's
fine.
a lot more pulls in it.
I see. That's pretty good.
So we can You hear the overflow?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it'll come out that hose rather than go in the drain.
I see.
So one more advancement and it's going to start agitating. And it may splash a little bit initially, but then it'll chill out.
Alright. I actually fixed the brown one just like this, but it was a perforated tub. bunched up, yeah.
Right. See, that's why they want you to cut them full.
You know what the problem is, Bob? This one shirt is much lighter than the rest of them.
Well, all you have to do is do one little exchange and it'll work again.
Does this have a brake?
That's it.
Oh, they smell wonderful. And it did a really good job spinning them too.
Well, it's a shorter spin because it's on small load.
Right. Yeah, but I mean, it still did fine.
Well, it would spin those out dry.
Yeah. I mean, they're pretty good. They're definitely pretty good.
Well, that's why usually they say dry instead of spin on the timer. So it usually says dry.
Yeah.
If you want, you can put them here.
Yeah, that's fine.